Lo kublai phi brok khoi ngai phi la bham ta si. Ta ngai skwa I thu phi ba san tali ki question ki wan na ki tu ki videos ki ba ma de upload. Na try la da phi page ba hai tu video da ki kan mau. Ki la don lupa san tali na ki videos ku chonga. Te kene kene pion mentas ni po is kasel kini ki answer. Kabaning kong kene in the context of international relation with what is the pact silica initiative which is recently in the news. Answer kade USA-led strategy focusing on an eye. The G20 summit was held in which country? Kane kade for South Africa. Which Indian city was adjudged as India's cleanest city as per Swatch Survey 25 kade Indore. Who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize? Son 25 de Maria Corina Machado kane kade leader opposition po Venezuela mo to bala kidnap Trump ya president jong Venezuela. Who wrote the book Alice in the World de Lewis Carlos. The current electable strength of Lok Sabha is 543 MP, which is the highest military award in India for distinguished act of favor during wartime dari Parambir Chakra. In the context of India, what is the collegium system? Kani kari ka jingya recommend ban transfer ki judge ki po Supreme Court. Kari ka number B, a system where judge of Supreme Court recommend appointment and transfer of judge. Number kanda, India celebrated 10 years of Amrut, full form Amrut, the Antal mission for rejuvenation of urban transformation. Which Indian city hosts the famous Ambuchi Mela? Ambuchi Mela phi kan mau thrai. Depo Guwahati. Depo Guwahati. Which award is considered to be the highest civilian award? Kade Bharat Ratna. Which life insurer company recently in India won the Guinness World Record by insurance by do a single day? Dega Life Corporation of India. Meghalaya scientific coal mining. Kani kade keton ha Bindi Hati. Kade saring kham mo to bla adu kontrak sama. What is the minimum support price? The minimum support price at which the government purchase crop from farmer to protect them from price fall. Kajing rap jong government ladaka hiardor palat ka rap karyang. Kajing di kirap ka maryang. Which is the first independent state in independent India to implement the Uniform Civil Code? Kadi Uttarakhand. The doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution was propounded in which case? Kadi Kesavananda Bharati case. Name the longest mountain range in the world? Kadi Andes. In which year was the Battle of Plassey? 1757. Which metal is extracted from bauxite? Kadi aluminium. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? 8 states. The democratic dividend refers to large working age population. Which Indian state share a border international with Bangladesh? Longest border kade West Bengal. The Ongpon Northeast kade Meghalaya. The largest freshwater lake in India by surface area is Ullar Lake, Jammu Kashmir. The Suez Canal connect with two water bodies kade ka Mediterranean Sea but Red Sea. The Planning Commission was replaced Niti Aayog. Which is the deepest ocean trench in the world? Mariana Trench. The Ramsar Convention is specifically associated with wetland. What is the type of radiation used in cancer treatment? The X-rays but gamma rays. What are the Roaring Forties? The Westerlies. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level in human body? Insulin. What is the speed of light in vacuum? Kade 3 by 3 multiply 10 by 8 meter per second. Which index measure inflation in India? The Consumer Price Index. Which Mughal ruler found in Din Ilahi fate? The Akbar. Which color of light has the longest wavelength to the red? So one's orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Which country has the highest number of time zone? Kat kum kini ke option ke Russia, ke France, kat don haduk kat artili time zone, ke Russia kat don kat Italy. Which of the following key species found in Sundarban? Ke Royal Bengal tiger. Who is the present chairman of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission? The Dahoy Langstang. Which phenomenon explain why the sky appear blue? Ke rayleigh scattering. Which country was the first to industrialize in Europe, thus leading to the starting of Industrial Revolution? Great Britain. Which are the first Khasi book written using the Roman script? Kani ngam pat yo wat jing ka badai kansar kadi kani am Khasi ni am khain ki Khasi lede ke testament mathmai jing ai email lane kadi kot niam ka kot lai phau ka kot pule ning kong ka kitab ning kong te ngam la ban yu tamang sugas kadi ka testament mathmai nga sugas mo tamala dodon ki betip soba ai po comment da ya thu bat ka question bakat no. Which mountain pass connect in India through Andhra Pradesh? Kene kade Bumla Pass Andhra Pradesh, Zojila Pass kade po Le, Nathula Pass ke Sikkim, Lipule Pass kade po Uttarakhand. Which Indian cities is known Manchester of India? De Ahmedabad po Gujarat. Which species is the national aquatic animal of India? The Ganges river dolphin. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The iron pillar of Delhi famous is for rusting resistant namta kejing. Ba sarang mo la jubam sarang uni iron pillar of Delhi kerau la salong famous. Name the first Indian newspaper, the Bengal Gazette. Sangam literature belong to which region in India? Tamil Nadu. Which country has the largest proven oil reserve in the world? Venezuela. Which of the following is correct match? Kane ba match hane bayade tangu Vergis Korean kade flood operation or operation flood daga milk production. The anyway, which of the following is not a permanent member of UN Security Council? Kade India. The Satriya dance form originated from which state? Kane Assam. Kane lagi jingkali ngala ashwa ba finya rung po hall kembang tu prabaje ngala pha po WhatsApp group kane jingkali te ngatrai ki bapet kila kan ma ba. Permanent settlement of Bengal was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The principle of collective responsibility in Meghalaya implies chief kandai decision are binding on all minister. Kamlong mo tang way. The concept of fitness is associated with Charles Darwin. Which planet has the longest day? The Venus. Which vitamin is called retinol? The vitamin A. Who is credited with the invention of dynamite? The Alfred Nobel. Which gas is commonly known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. Who is the father of the computer? Charles Babbage. What is the smallest ocean in the world? The Arctic Ocean. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the largest bone in human body? Femur. Who was the first Home Minister of Independent India? The Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The water boil at what degree temperature? The 65 degree. SI unit of force is Newton. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens. How many rings are there in the Olympic symbol? 5 rings. Who is known as the Flying Sikh? Milkha Singh. How many players are there on a basketball court? 5 players. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate in the country as per 2000 census? What is the currency of South Korea? Won. The largest saltwater lake in the world is Caspian Sea. Which is the largest country in the world? By area, Largest country in the world by area, Russian Federation. Who won India's first Olympic gold medal? Avinav Bandra. The term Grand Slam is associated with which sport? Tennis and golf. The Golden Temple is located at which city? Amritsar. The first woman chief minister of state in India, the Suchita Kriplani, Uttar Pradesh. Which is the most spoken language in India? Hindi. Which area is considered the largest delta in the world? Today, Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. The first 5-year plan of India was introduced in the year 1951. The living root bridge in Meghalaya is made from the root of which tree? The Ficus elastica, Indian rubber tree. Which Meghalaya waterfall is known as Seu, Kanagari Elephant Fall? Who was the first deputy commissioner of elsewhere United Khasi and Jaintia Hill District? The Major H.S. Biwar, 1874. Who discovered the law of universal gravitation? The Isaac Newton. Who is the author of the book God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy. Which Indian ruler is known as Napoleon of India? Nilai Shaivan Barbar, Samudra Which Meghalaya district is the home of Balpakram, the South Goro Hill? Double scup is associated with which sport? Tennis. The Renaissance began in which country? Italy. Fundamental rights are granted under which part of the Indian Constitution? The Part 3. The term of Lok Sabha is for how many years? 5 years. Which Indian state was the first to implement the Right to Information Act before it became central law? Togade, Tamil Nadu. Who was the founder of Maurya Empire? The Chandragupta Maurya I. The Vice President of India is functioning as the Chairman of Lok Sabha. Tidak mau Chairman Lok Sabha the Vice President. The Salt March was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Who is regarded as the father of missile India? The missile man, APJ Abdul Kalam. The largest public sector undertaking in India is railways. Who is the present chairman of Meghalaya Lukta? CP Marak Kawrait or P Marak. Te saya komen video kat no. Te ngin ya pet kai. Ko ka kinongot kiman poi po personal interview. God bless you, bon.